You're welcome to Insidekano TV Business Timeout. This is Tayo Oni. We're going to be talking about entrepreneurship, we're going to be talking about business, we're going to be taking a journey from the beginning, and we'll see where we end up at the end of the day. So the first thing I want to talk about today is entrepreneurship myth. These are things that people think they know, people think are right, people think they've heard about, but they're not necessarily true about entrepreneurship. A lot of people have heard a lot of things about entrepreneurship, but not all of them is true. And some of these things that we hear just take us aback or set us back from what we really want to do. Now, the first entrepreneurship myth I want to talk about is entrepreneurs are not born that way. Everybody can learn to be an entrepreneur. Everybody can be disciplined to be an entrepreneur. We need to understand this. Yes, some people have that, that passion, they have that innate ability, right, and that business acumen, to go into that field, but everybody can learn it. So because you don't have that tingling feeling within yourself about entrepreneurship, does not mean you cannot be an entrepreneur. So take note, entrepreneurs are not born, they are made. Entrepreneurs quit. Yeah, entrepreneurs quit. Because a lot of times before an entrepreneur will start his own business or will venture out, he must quit his day-to-day job. Before an entrepreneur will move into what he wants to do, he must quit doing something. Because before you can start something, you've got to quit something.